Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some awesome freebies again for you, so stay tuned. It's coming right up, you all. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a few awesome watch faces we wanted you all to check out that we thought was worthy of a download, and all the watch faces are free for the taking. Cool? Alright, so hit me at the end of the video, let me know your thoughts on these free watch faces, and with that, let's kick off number one. Now number one is called Times Now. Very good looking watch face, and always on mode. In spite of the fact that it gives you a simple digital time, it has a nice look, including the fact that it gives you the day and the date as well, right? Now when the watch face is on, I like the design layout. Very simple, very plain, but definitely it gives you all the important info you can need in a watch face. Up at the top, you're going to get the day of the week. You come down, you're going to get your step status info along with your battery info. You go to the middle, you got your digital time. It's colored out, and you also come down, you're going to get heart rate info, calories burned, and you're also going to get the day of the month as well as the date. Now I thought this was truly a good look for a casual watch face to be worn on any given Sunday or any given day of the week. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Watch face number two. Now this one is nice. It's called Digital Watch Face. Now in always on mode, you're going to get the same look as you will when it's on. The only deal is it's going to be dimmed down in a black and white thing, which I thought was pretty cool. But when you turn it on, here's where some fun starts to take place. Look up at the top. You're going to get your weather. You're going to get an animated person. I thought that was a really nice added touch. You come down, you're going to get the days of the week. Highlighted in black will let you know what day of the week it is. Also, you're going to get your date. You're going to get your battery info along with digital time in 24 hours, which is not a bad look at all. You come down, you're going to get info on miles walked or ran. Also, you're going to get info on your heart rate. Now, if you look to the left, you got some steps going on there that are animated as well for your goal. I thought definitely this was a nice look, and the matted background just kind of pulls everything together. I'm liking this look. Considering that it's free, it's not bad at all. And it's interactive. So if I tap here, I can go in and get my weather. If I tap here, I could go in and get my calories burned, step info. I mean, I'm thinking this is like really, really nice. I mean, considering that it's free, you can't beat it. Download it just for the fun of it. Let's check out watch face number three. This one is called Warcraft Iron Horde. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a traditional analog watch face. When the watch face is on, you pretty much got this Warcraft theme going on. It is not interactive. It does look nice. You can see it kind of glowing in and out. I thought it wasn't a bad watch face to be free, so I thought I'd go ahead and do a review on it. You got to hit me in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on this one. Now, all you simply get is your battery info. You get info down at the bottom also for your heart rate. Dead center, you're going to get digital time in 24 hours, and that's it. But I like the look. Very different, very unique. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the freebies for the day. If you did, make sure you hit the like button before you leave. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.